NVDA reported earnings here today after the bell, and they absolutely crushed it according to the numbers. But when you look at the charts, you can see we actually traded down into $468 here after the bell, which is like 30 some points away from where we closed, which isn't necessarily that good, right? But we managed to rebound that. We're trading right around $492 here in the after hours at the moment. So my plan in here, which has been the case since yesterday, I wanted a flat as could be move going into tomorrow. And the reason being is that we have a level above at $520 from the last earnings season that we never tested here yet in regular trading hours. So I think tomorrow has the potential to test that level. As long as we can hold this 485.96 tomorrow, I'm going to be looking for an uptrend that can hold opening print and take us all the way up into $520.